Peel and stick handle was specifically made to lift the toilet seat up and down without having to touch it. It comes in a pack of 2 and under $10.
Projector clock definitely supports my laziness. You can see what time it is from anywhere in your room without moving a muscle. Every penny.
A set of 6 cleaning brushes and sponges. They also come in a ton of different color options, but I love this white and wood tone. 4 out of 6 of these can be filled with soap for easy dispensing while you're cleaning.
Gadgets you need or don't. Anyone else hate changing the shower liner every single month? These dual curtain hooks allow for the curtain and liner to be installed separately so you can effortlessly exchange each one. And if you have nowhere to dry your towels, this drying rack installs securely to the hinges of your bathroom door and swivels outward so you can hang and dry up to 4 towels at a time. So are these something you need or don't?
This just arrived from the future. Motion sensor. Built-in liner. Dual compartments. And voice activated. Open can.
Is that disgusting? What is all over my face? I was gonna give myself a microdermabrasion. This is it. It's amazing. It tells you what to do. I just do it on manual on level 8. Like that's the suction. So you just get like a little red. Let's check out the filter. Here's a close-up. This looks like a lot of dead skin, peach fuzz, old makeup. Okay, then there's this attachment and this thing sucks everything out of your face. So I like to go where I have pores. Is that not disgusting? I think this machine is just the most worth it machine on planet Earth just because I like sucking things out of my face.
Welcome to use Smart Fruit Facial Mask Machine.
Tuck Find, this is a multifunctional electric grain mill, one-key operation, meet the grinding of different ingredients, can master the fineness, visualize transparent protective cover, small size and easy to carry. Tuck Find, the sun exposure causes the seats in the car to be hot and the interior is aging. I found this foldable car sunshade, no installation required. Silver surface reflects 99% of ultraviolet rays, keeping the car cool and pivot interior aging.
Must not have thought that there is such a small foldable washing machine, which is very suitable for lazy people. Usually socks, intimate clothing and baby's clothing can be washed in it. Because it has a spiral function, that imitation hand washing, and an antibacterial function with its own blue light. So it will be cleaned very cleanly, and it is very power saving every time, and the key is folded up for easy storage when not in use.
There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew harder, bowed it down below, my bully boys blow. Soon may the wellermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our...
The product can cool any drink to ice cold in 60 seconds. Just to properly prove it, I took 2 cans out of this box, which was stored at room temperature, as you can see. The second one went into the Chill-O-Matic with a few ice cubes, and we started the 60-second timer. After 1 minute, I immediately opened it. Thankfully, it didn't explode or fizz at all, and the temperature dropped to below 46 degrees. Shark Tank products part 28. Lori invested in this firewall that's supposed to be the best splatter guard, so let's try it out. It fits nicely around the pan, and you can see all of the bacon grease that it caught on it. It's dishwasher safe, comes in many sizes, and better than a splatter screen because you still have access to whatever you're cooking. This one might become a kitchen favorite.